Hi everyone. You know that it's getting closer to summertime. Weather's getting warmer. So today I'll be making Orangeade. What all goes into the Orangeade? A 2-quart container. This is a gallon, so I'll be filling it up to here. Juice from 1 large orange. This is medium. I'll probably be doing an orange and a half. Juice from 2 lemons. 1/2 to 3/4 cups of sugar. This is optional. I just decided I wanted to use it. A teaspoon of orange extract to make it a little bit more orangey flavor. And then we'll need enough warm water to fill it up to the 2-quart mark. So let's begin. Take your 2-quart container, add your 1 large orange juice. I did 1 1/2 oranges, about 1/3 of a cup. Your 2 lemons juiced, which is 1/4 of a cup. If using the 1 teaspoon of orange extract, and then the 1/2 to 3/4 cups of sugar. I'm using 3/4 cup. Couldn't find my bigger funnel, so I'm just spooning it in. Little spillage, but not bad. Then add warm water to make it to 2 quarts. And don't mind the mess. For some strange reason, my hand's shaking. Probably because I was pouring with the left hand. We'll do it with the right hand this time. All right, so it is at 2 quarts, maybe just a tad past. Stir this until the sugar's all melted and everything's blended together. You don't want to add too much water because then it'll just taste like orange water. I think I'm okay. It's right there. And then put your lid on and stick it in the refrigerator until we're ready to do a taste test. So here is the Orangeade. Let's see what Dave thinks.
That's not just orange, is it?
It is orange and lemons, but
Orange
it's called Orangeade.
Okay. Well, it didn't taste like plain orange juice, but it didn't. I wasn't quite sure if that was lemons in there or not. Well, that's pretty good. I bet you, just like you'd normally make lemonade or something, but with orange.
Close, yeah.
Okay. I wonder, for people that like flavored water, maybe you could double the amount of water or something. Maybe that would.
Oh, no doubt, yeah.
Yeah, and this is it's not an overly in-your-face flavor, but it's a pretty decent flavor.
Think it'd be a thirst quencher?
I'm thinking it would be. Yeah, I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.